can we start with another problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's the confidence I need. Draw this diagram, and the question is same. Find centroid of the shaded region. Okay, so let me give you the initial start. So first of all, whether this figure is symmetric or no?
No.
Yes,
No,
it
sir.
is not symmetric. So what we should do?
The reference point.
Yes, select reference point at the bottommost left corner. So this is my bottommost left corner. So will be selected as the reference point. Then what's the next step?
Divide the entire lamina into
Yes,
minimum
divide the
number.
entire lamina into minimum number of standard parts. And for that, I have already given a hint. Wherever there is a inclined line, there will be a triangle. Wherever there is a curve, there will be a semicircle or a quarter circle. So here it is visible that it is a quarter circle. Yes, 3 triangles. Very good. So if this is my inclined line, if there are 3 inclined lines, that means there will be 3 triangles for sure. So this is one inclined line. By making help of this inclined line, I will construct a triangle here. So this will be my one triangle. Similarly, by taking inclined line of this side, I will take a triangle here, and the third one will be this one. So this is the third triangle. So now what is your answer? How many parts?
1 square and 3 triangle, 1 quarter circle.
Perfect. Very good answer. So I will consider one entire rectangle. From this rectangle, I will subtract this area. I will subtract this area. I will subtract this area. That means 3 triangles. And then I will subtract this quarter circle to get the relevant figure or the shaded region. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now regarding the dimensions of the triangle. तो यहाँ तो simple दे दिया 15 and 25. इसका भी दे दिया 10 and 10. What about this triangle height?
25, sir.
25.
25 is correct. See here. देखो. From here to here, ये distance कितना है?
20, sir.
20 because it is radius of same circle. So from here to here it is 20. तो अब total height कितनी हो गई? Total 35. 35 में से यहाँ पर ये सिर्फ 10 दिया, तो ये बचा हुआ कितना रहेगा? 25. So this is 25. Let us start with the solution. Now for a rectangle. For a rectangle, we know that centroid lies exactly at the center, which is at a distance of how much? 17.5 and 17.5. Correct?
Yes.
But from which point? From this corner point. Now this corner point and our reference point are both one and the same.
Yes.
That means no need to add or subtract anything. I will directly write x as 17.5, y as 17.5. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us go for the quarter circle part. For quarter circle, we know that from the sides making the right angle triangle, centroid lies at a distance of 4r by 3 pi. Similarly, here also it will be
3 pi.
4r by 3 pi. Now, this is from which point? From this corner point. Now again, this corner point and our reference point are one and the same. Quarter circle का reference और हमारा reference same है.
Yes.
That means no need to add or subtract anything. I will directly write it is 4r by 3 pi, and here also I will write 4r by 3 pi. It is one and the same. No need to add or subtract anything. But there is some missing thing in this area.
Minus.
Yes, it will be minus because it is not a part of the shaded region. So it will be negative. Okay. Let us proceed further for this triangle. ये वाला triangle, third वाला, 15 by 25 वाला. Now again we know that from the sides making right angle triangle, it is 25 by 3 and 15 by 3. From which point? From this point. ठीक है, अब मैं यहाँ पर इसको लोकेट करता हूँ. इस पॉइंट से यहाँ तक सपोज ये सेंट्रॉइड है, so this distance is 25 by 3, and from here to here the distance is 15 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now I
Yes,
know
sir.
distance from this point, but I need from where? I need from my side, my reference. So what will be the answer?
30.
X is equal to 25 by 3.
25 by 3 कैसे? हाँ, x की जगह पर ठीक है, x की जगह पर 25 by 3 it will be direct. What about y?
35 minus 15 by 3.
यस परफेक्ट
35 minus 15.
35 माइनस 15/3 देखो टोटल यहाँ से यहाँ तक टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है 35 35 में से अगर मैं ये कम कर दूंगा 15/3 सो आई विल गेट दिस रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस सो आई विल राइट हियर इट विल बी 35 minus 15/3 any doubts
No, sir.
okay now going to this rectangle so this triangle we know that this is a side making 90 degree so we know that centroid will lie somewhere here at a distance of 10/3 and 10/3 but from which point from this point now locate this point here in our main diagram which is this one ये वाला point so from here to here the distance is 10/3 and from here to here the distance is 10/3 ये centroid है now हमको यहाँ से यहाँ डिस्टेंस और यहाँ से यहाँ डिस्टेंस मालूम है बट वी नीड फ्रॉम विच पॉइंट फ्रॉम आवर पॉइंट यहाँ से सो व्हाट विल बी दिस डिस्टेंस यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस क्या होगा व्हाट विल बी दिस डिस्टेंस
35 minus 10/3.
यस परफेक्ट आंसर टोटल डिस्टेंस है 35 उसमें से ये है 10/3 तो बचा हुआ क्या रहेगा 35 minus 10/3 so here I will write in x bar 35 minus 10/3 similarly for y bar देखो y बार में भी हमको क्या चाहिए वी नीड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर नीचे से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हमको मालूम है ये डिस्टेंस है 10/3 so what will be distance here
Same.
because the height
25 minus.
it will be 35 minus 10/3 now regarding this triangle we know that this is a right angled side so from this point it will be 25/3 and 15/3 from which point this point now locate this point in our main diagram this is nothing but this one ठीक है अब हमको ये मालूम है from this point to this centroid okay I will remove this line because it will create confusion we know that from this point it is height is 25/3 and here it is 15/3 from this point centroid is here from triangle it is 25/3 and 15/3 from this point but we need distance from where from here I need distance from this to this so what will be the answer
35 minus 15/3.
simple the total distance is 35 उसमें से ये 15/3 है माइनस कर दो बचा हुआ डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा so it will be 35 minus 15/3 and for y bar मेरे को सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना है बस ऊपर इतना ही
25/3.
yes direct answer it is 25/3 so with this we have completed the entire calculation part मतलब जो basic measure था वो हो गया now the missing thing in all of this is what
Minus.
Negative.
yes all the area will be negative don't forget this negative sign
Okay, sir.
Yes.
okay so you can find out x bar and y bar for that particular problem